Namaskāra, wishing you all a very happy new year. Wait a minute, today is not January 1st, but today is the new year for Tuluvas who follow the solar calendar. Happy New Year once again. In Tulu, a year is known as Varsa or Varso, and the Tulu year begins somewhere during the month of April, to be precise, around 14th or 15th April, and not January 1st. In Tulu calendar, a month is known as Tingol, and this is the first month of Tulu New Year, the first Tingol. It's called Paggu. The first day of every month or Tingol has a special term to it. It's called Tinggoḍæ or Siṅgoḍæ. And the first day of the first month of the year has an even special term. It's called Bisu or Bisu Parba, the festival Bisu. It is believed that Bisu Parba is a very auspicious day in Tulu life, and a lot of people start their new ventures on this day. So if you are somebody looking for new beginnings, perhaps to start the journey of learning the Tulu script, today is the right day. So in today's video, we will pay homage to our Tuluva roots by learning to write Paggu and Bisu in Tulu script. Also, watch the video till the end because I'm going to tell you how to wish properly for Bisu Parba in Tulu language.
Paggu is a very simple word with just two consonants involved in it, the consonant pa and the consonant ga. The consonant ga or the vyanjana ga occurs as a beautiful ಕೂಟಾಕ್ಷರ of two gas together with the u matra added to it. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ರಡ್ಡಗಾದ ಕೂಟಾಕ್ಷರ ತೂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಗ್ಗರ ಅಂತ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರೆನಾಗ ಒಂದೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We have seen the ಕೂಟಾಕ್ಷರ of the two gas earlier when we wrote the word gaggara. Come on, let's write Paggu in Tulu script. Bale, nama Tulu lipitu Paggu and bareka.
Even if you've never written Tulu script before, you can still write the word Paggu easily and remember it, because the letters that make up the word Paggu, that is the consonant pa and the consonant ga, are very easy to write and are made up of the shapes and symbols that probably you have seen in other language scripts too. For example, to write pa, if you can write the letter U and if you can write the English letter L, you can actually combine them and make the letter pa. To write pa, you will write an inverted U first, like this, and without lifting the pen, you'll draw a horizontal straight line to the right and a vertical straight line to the top. This is the consonant pa. Very easy, right? Mast sulabate. So, next to write the consonant ga, it's very simple. If you can write the letter S, you can write the letter ga. It's just that you rotate the letter S by 90 degrees. Let me show you. Ga ಬರೆರೆಗೆ ಈ ಒಡ್ಡಿಗೆರೆ ತಿರುಪಾಡು ಒಗೆರೆ ಕ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದು ಕುಡೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಚೆ ಬತ್ತಂಡ ಒಂದು ga. This is ga, a sleeping S. But the consonant conjunct of two gas is even more simpler. It's like you continue drawing the shape to write another ga. It's like two sine curves. We write the first ga, and without lifting our pen, at the end, we proceed to draw two more curves. This is the two gas together. In Tulu script, we try to write everything as much as possible in just one single stroke. ಒಂಜೆಗೆರೆಟ್ ಇಡೀ ಗದ ಕೂಟಾಕ್ಷರ ಬೊಕ ಹೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೊರಾನೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಎಂಚ ತೋಪಾವೆ ಪಲೆ. So we start writing the first ga. As soon as you complete the first ga without lifting your pen, you draw one more curve and complete another ga, and then at the end, without lifting the pen, you curve and take the line to the right. This is Paggu. Easy, ate? Now, let's write the word Bisu.
Bisu is a very easy word to write. Just two syllables, B and Su. That is the consonant ba with E matra and the consonant sa with the U matra. Very easy letters to write. Come on, let's write it. ನಿಮಗೆ ಖಾಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೂಪಿನತ್ತದೆ ನಿಖಲ್ನೊಟ್ಟು ಒಂಜಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಒಂಜಿ ಪೆನ್ ಇಂದ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ದಿಯೊಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. Please write these letters and words as when you watch this video. It will be easier for you to remember.
Consonant ba is very easy to write. We have learned the consonant ba in one of the earlier videos. If you watch the video where we wrote the word barcode, if you can draw a circle or write O, and if you can make the shape of the letter 3 or the Tulu letter Na, and again if you can write a mirror image of the letter L, you can combine all these shapes to write the letter Ba. Ba bareregu surutanji chakra biduppodu elliya, a small circle, and after that you proceed to write a sleeping figure of the number 3. Nammanji Tulu lipitanji Na akshara karaddu oddigere biduppodu. In the end, without lifting a pen, we draw a mirror image of the letter L. Sarta Jaidinanji Gere Budpodu, Bakonji, Undonji Gere Budpodu. A vertical straight line. This is the consonant Ba. To write E Matra, it's very easy. If you can draw one curved line from the top of the letter down all the way to the right side, it's the E Matra. E Matra Barega, Mitturdunji, Oddigere Budpound, Aksharada K Red Kanadu. Undu B, the B of the word Bisu.
To write Sa, it's very easy. If you can write two curved lines like the Tulu letter Na or inverted W but smaller in height, you can write the letter Sa. Sa bareregu elliya nama Tuluta Na akshara karaddu oddigare pada akara malpodu. A keridu a pen derpandane mittigere vaipodu. This is the Tulu consonant Sa. And to write the U Matra with Sa, we add a circle, a small circle at the bottom of the letter. But in Tulu script, most often we tend to write a letter with its U Matra in a single stroke. How it is done? Let me show it to you. So we start by writing the letter Sa, two curved lines, and before proceeding to complete the letter Sa, we draw a small circle, the U Matra, and then proceed to draw a curve and take the pen up. This is Bisu.
So friends, I have a suggestion and a request. Suggestion is that whatever you've written today, the words Paggu and Bisu in your beautiful handwriting, take a picture of it and share it with all your family and friends directly or in the family WhatsApp groups, wishing them a very happy Bisu Parba. And also, please share the picture of the same in social media networks, tagging Solmelu Studios so that we get to take a look at your beautiful handwriting and the work that you're doing in learning the Tulu script. So friends, that's how you write Paggu and Bisu in Tulu script. And now before we end the video, let me tell you how to wish in Tulu on this auspicious day. To wish anybody for Bisu Parba, you would say Materegla Bisu Parbada Edeppulu. Bisu Parba is the festival Bisu, Materegla means to everybody, and Edeppulu means good wishes. You can take this a notch higher by adding one more beautiful word to it. You can say Materegla Bisu Parbada Mokeda Edeppulu. Mokeda means with love. And a message from the entire Solmelu Studios family to all of you watching this video. Namma Solmelu Studios Kutumbordu Nikleg Materegla Bisu Parbada Mokeda Edeppulu. Thank you for watching this video of mine. Please share this video with everybody who loves to learn Tulu language and Tulu script. Solmelu.